Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. I'm here on the daily time frame, and yeah, as a reminder, I'm still tracking this bounce in wave 4. Looks like kind of 40% of the move could be done. Just an estimate. Obviously, we're tracking this as a wave 4 bounce. We have been doing that for the last few days, and especially since the Friday low, we wanted to see higher prices. And I mean, what has happened? Well, the price has now reached the first Fib level here, the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement at $2,954. We would need a break above it to really unlock let's say a rally to 3,170, maybe even 3,356. Especially the area around the 3170 level here, 38.2 retracement. That's usually an ideal target for a fourth wave. So I would expect some resistance there as well. I mean, it's clear. Look, Ethereum is clearly reacting to the 23.6 Fib level. It's clearly reacting to it. It's clearly respecting the Fibs. Yeah, Ethereum knows how to respect the Fibs. Okay, that is just in the DNA, right? So that wave 4 should unfold as an ABC structure. If you follow our work, then you know that on the smaller time frame, I've been telling you about how this microstructure would likely unfold and would likely develop as an ABC structure. And I'm currently tracking this fourth wave bounce as mentioned before. Nothing has changed there. Now, I think it is important to recognize that if we get another low, I would still just treat this as an extension of the wave 3. I wouldn't call this a wave 4 yet. It's not healthy enough. It's not large enough. So I continue to view this as a wave 4 bounce. And I continue to view this as a potential bounce that could still last another 1 or 2 weeks. Once the wave 4 is over, and at the moment I have no reason to believe it's something more bullish, but once the wave 4 is over, one more low could happen. If it is something more bullish, then we should see 5 waves up instead of 3 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 waves up, which should also lead to a breakout of this price channel to the upside. Now let's take a look at the smaller time frame for ETH, shorter time frame, and you see that we're currently fighting here with the 23.6 Fib level. The microstructures are not very clear. I mean, that doesn't mean I can't recognize structure. I can, but it's just at the moment not very clear what's going on here. I still treat the move to the upside as a possible A wave top from the 24th of November. It might have topped. Now we are in a B wave. But what's happening here doesn't really look like a B wave that's still unfolding. It's entirely possible the B wave already bottomed. But I won't confirm that, or at least I'm not going to change it to this potential until we break more clearly above the highs of Wednesday and Monday. Yeah. And even then, it's just possible that the A wave gets one more extension. I don't want to make it too complex here, but I'd say to keep it simple, if we break above the highs of this week, it becomes more probable that circle wave C to the upside has already started. Yeah. But I cannot rule out that wave A is simply extending by one wave. Okay, so I would simply adjust the support zone higher, as we climb higher. And I would like to see the market move towards, I would like to see the market move towards the $3,165 level over the coming sessions. That's the 38.2 retracement. And it's a very, very common Fibonacci retracement level and target for a fourth wave. So that means even a break below the intraday low, which formed here at $2,890, wouldn't really change anything. It would simply lead to a deeper B wave, probably, as far as I can tell. And as long as we're holding and, respecting these Fibonacci support levels between 2,696 and 2,840, I would still look for higher prices overall. Yeah. So that's how I view at the moment the Ethereum chart. Expect some fluctuations here. This is simply a range at the moment, could even turn into a triangle. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And yeah, if you really like the content, then check out our membership options. Also, for those of you who are interested in the membership, we are currently running our Black Friday week offer. You'll get a 20% discount on our weekly memberships. Not weekly memberships, annual memberships. And that's on top of the regular annual membership offer that we always run, because they always discount it because you commit for a year. Makes sense. So there is a 20% off offer at the moment. So if you want to join, feel free to check it out. It's a really fair price. You won't get that, let's say, quality and frequency of analysis for that price anywhere else. Not the amount of updates you get, not the amount of coins we update, not with additional gold and silver bonus updates and some stock updates even included, not the TradingView live charts, not an Elliott Wave course included as well, not the opportunity to ask questions in a weekly live stream. So there is a lot there for a price that I don't think anybody beats it at the moment. So check it out, and you join a growing community. Yeah, we have more than 8,000 people on our Discord. So check it out if you're interested. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.